Me as I put the future of food to the test, one meal at a time. Let's see if AI has good taste. Before we attempted this exciting new challenge, we had to first make our way back up north, and that also included navigating our way through all the technical stuff along the way.
行李正在进入主传送带，请您不要离开。
Okay, we cleared security and we're on our way back to Nanjing. Trust economy certainly didn't disappoint again this time.
And what certainly impressed me about Shenzhen Airport here in Bao'an was this very interesting looking air conditioning system. Then it was time to get hold of the first challenge of the day.
Okay, this is super from a company called Hulu. Hulu Coffee is an AI machine that makes coffee. Pretty interesting stuff. So we're gonna watch a robot make us a nice cappuccino. What you getting? Cappuccino, espresso? This is really cool. This is nice and high tech. And so first scan the QR. And because it's a machine, that brings down the labor cost to just 9.9 yuan. Isn't that incredible? Absolutely amazing. This brings the trust economy to a whole new level. I'm totally impressed. And the price is so cheap because it's obviously done by a robot. It brings the labor costs down. Finally, we're seeing the benefits of AI.
Which sugar do you take?
No sugar. No sugar.
Hot. By now.
Not bad. Made by machine. Remember the company is Hulu. Think of the Hulu coffee.
It's really nice.
Oh.
I like it.
It's big for you. You're not even a coffee drinker.
Yes, but I like it. The taste is very not too weak, you know, and not
It's
too
got a kick
strong.
to it. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Look who's developing a taste for coffee. Quite sad to see Shenzhen go. Really like Shenzhen. How do you feel about heading back to Nanjing, Shenzhen?
Yeah, it's after 7 days. It's time to have a rest.
Splendid.
By the time we made it to Mirror World, my stomach had been grumbling for the last few hours and I was completely starving. So we took the liberty of jumping at the first vending machine we saw available.
Which do you want to have? Rice or noodles? Beef noodles here.
Let's get the beef noodle.
Okay.
Oh, it's doing something. Let's see how this goes. Very excited. Just tell me, how are the food, One thing I'm very concerned about though is how do you critique the machine though so it can make alterations? That's what I'd like to know in the comment section.
Okay, check this machine. It's making the food analysis.
Okay, let's see what you got.
Cute, man.
I can assure you that this kind of robot is not cute. I don't know what Dandan's on about.
It's cute.
No, it's not.
Turn around. He's making.
Let's see how it goes. Okay, so the noodles just came out. Let's see what's next. So, but where's the action for my food? I'm very hungry. Is this a microwave meal?
No, I don't think so. I don't think so.
We'll see about that.
24
One thing that does concern me in China is they have an absolute love affair with plastic.
请央央武汉顾客来取餐啦！
Ooh.
请央央武汉顾客来取餐啦！
When the light is on,
请央央武汉顾客来取餐啦！
the pot.
Okay, open it up.
Let's go there on the table list. Hey, go on the table. Why?
Show the camera. It's very tasty.
Oh, actually, it's very tasty.
Wastage also appeared to be classified rather efficiently.
Okay, this one is an ice cream processing area and it's made by a company called Xbot. Okay, very cool indeed. Not bad, not too shabby. Incredible. Fantastic.
And your spoon?
Yes, indeed.
Let me taste.
That's cool. That's cool for someone coming from Cape Town. Okay, Nani, get us a Coke.
Coke? It's here?
Yeah, yellow cat Coke. Kosher only.
So you can self-checking.
So after 24 hours of eating exclusively from AI-powered cafes and vending machines, what's the verdict? Honestly, this challenge was far more attainable than I expected. Ordering was quick, seamless, and in many cases faster than traditional service. There was no waiting times to place an order, no queues at a counter, and everything was designed to keep the process moving efficiently. From a business perspective, it's easy to see the appeal too, with reduced labor costs and systems that can replicate again and again, or can be replicated. These concepts have the potential to deliver food more cost effectively while still offering a huge variety of options and customization. And perhaps the biggest surprise, we didn't have to interact with a single person all day. From ordering to collection, everything was handled through apps, kiosks, and automation. For introverts, this is pretty much paradise. Whether this is the future of dining remains to be seen, but after today, it's clear that the future is already here and it's serving food.
Use your WeChat or Alipay to scan the QR code in the airport. So this is all the information about the airport, for example, your flights and insurance or hotels or your luggage informations. For example, if you go parking place, you can find the day where you can park and the price and the time, and also you can check the restaurant information and the flight for the day. You can see where you are, where the flight you will take, what time is it, which gate you will go into. That's very important and very necessary to check out.